Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this watermark on CapCut PC. So select this green video, don't mind the rest of stuff on there. Add in your default text and type in the word watermark. Well, you don't have to, you can use your username for it, of course. And select the font that you want for your watermark. Maybe let's see, this one. I'm going to also add in a shadow, put the opacity up to 100. Then you're just going to select these three lines, export still frame. Make sure you select import project, then press export. Delete it and go back to local and find it, and we're just going to crop this out like so. Then we are going to find a video to add the watermark to. I'm just going to use this one. Then go to blend mode, select overlay, go to cutout, select chroma key and select the green bit. Adjust the strength to 100 as well as the shadow to 100. And that is it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!